Hi, I'm Anna Twinney. Journey with me into the world of animal communication. I wanted to capture this. This is Choo Choo, because you heard his name, during an animal communication session. And I've not seen a horse sleep standing up to this extent, where he's using the bar to hold his weight and he's nearly fallen over. All in the spirit of animal communication. His concentration level is extraordinary. Loving Sarah's hair. We're seeing if he's going to do it again. He's been nuzzling her hair, and then he's got the flame in. He's been nuzzling the hair. The cutest thing to see.
Took all the cameras out.
And then he just looks at me. That's affection at its best, you see. Beautiful place he calls home. I've so enjoyed documenting this. You guys have to see it. He takes, it's fascinating. He's taking the common sense and then he yawns. This is Emerson. Kid you not, he comes back for more every single time, and then he goes off and he releases. So it's really been beautiful to watch.